everyone, how are you doing? It's not Sabara today. I just want to share some. I'm trying this live section on YouTube. I just saw it now, so I'm trying to see how it works, and I'm trying to see how the live section works and every other thing that YouTube includes in it. So don't mind me. I'm doing this here. This is for people that don't just know. I'm not just a nurse. I also do a lot of things for myself. Like I'm using this now to do my wigs. So all the wigs you've been seeing in this video, I'm the one that normally do it. So I'm going to go ahead and show us one video that one wig that I just finished doing now. So I just finished this wig. This is one week that I just finished now. So I'm going to wear it. All you need to do is to give me some minutes. Let me wear this wig now so that you see what I did. So don't mind this one. I just did it now, but I'm here to pack it the way I want it to be or the way I want it to look like. So don't just mind it. Do you understand? So just give me a minute. Let me wear the new wig that I just did. So see the wig here. I just finished doing the wig now. I'm the one that did it. So these are just the equipment that I used for the wig. These are my needles. Then this one is the the model that I'm using to hold the stuff. So in case for people that don't know, I'm a nurse. I make my hair, all the hair that you see me wear, even the cornrows that I'm wearing now, I'm the one that made it myself. Then my clothes, I sew clothes. I used to. Apart from that, I know how to cook very well. That's why I included nutrition in this channel so I can be teaching us how to cook, how you can do simple cooking. And I just started to do that of abacha for those that are Igbo people. They are the ones that will down. Any I'm not using any tripod stand now, so I started to use my hand because I'm testing live stream and how it works. So maybe the next live stream I'm going to do, I'm going to inform us, and I'm going to inform us, and not just that, I'm going to kind of prepare for it, do my makeup and my hair, the hairs that I did. I'm also doing another one now. I'm doing this one now. I'm doing this one now. So I will soon finish it. So this is just the realness Amara that you've been seeing. So see you next time. Bye. Say something. I saw one person that joined me. Thank you so much for joining. Don't mind me. I'm looking at myself, so I may not be looking at the camera. Who is this person? Please, can you talk to me in the comment section? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining the live section. And if you want me to be showing this aspect apart from health, that I should be talking about how to do hair like I'm doing right now, then feel free to tell me in the comment section. And see you next time. Bye. Is this my vlog, ma? Maybe.